Welcome to corpwebcontrol.com. Today we are going to see a demonstration how we can block torrents. Corp Web Control is a software which has got very good features, and today we'll see the feature how to block the torrent downloads. From the torrents, lot of bandwidth is consumed for downloading videos, games, and also other kind of large softwares, and that is slowing down the internet and bandwidth of the organization. Corp Web Control has got very good features like blocking unwanted sites, blocking streaming media it does not require any special hardware. This video we will focus on block torrent downloads. So we will show you a demo how you can block torrent downloads. We have already installed Corp Web Control on this PC. We will log into our control panel. We enter the password. After logging into the control panel, we will select our machine, our PC. We can look at the PC by the name or the IP, and we have already applied a policy called torrent demo. I'll show you how this policy looks like. The policy will load up. In this policy, we have named the policy as torrent demo. In this policy, we have made category control as on, and we have ticked on torrents. By ticking on torrents, we are going to block download of torrent files from the internet, and also we will be blocking torrent applications like BitTorrent, so that user will not be able to download any existing torrents on his PC or also download any new torrents from the internet. Now we will click on update policy, and this policy will be applied to that PC. Now user goes to Google and tries to search for some torrents. So he looks for some torrents. Now he comes to this torrent sites. After opening this torrent site, he's come to a page where the movie he can download. So he tries to click on download torrent. So when user clicks on download torrent, then Corp Web Control has blocked the torrent file downloading, and you can see that the reason is restricted torrent file. Even if he tries to click on the download link for downloading the torrent, the same way this torrent is blocked. Torrent file downloading has been detected, and the reason is restricted torrent file download. Now if the user already has downloaded a torrent on his PC in a folder, and he tries to run this torrent, BitTorrent is the software which downloads an existing torrent. So if I double click on a torrent file, still Corp Web Control will block the execution of that BitTorrent application. Even if I try to run BitTorrent application, BitTorrent.exe is blocked, and the user is not able to download any torrent. If user already has a link with him for a torrent, and he tries to copy that link and paste it into Chrome, even that link will be blocked. So we will paste that link of torrent and try to download it directly. So this link also has been blocked. So we have a restrict torrent file and the pop-up showing that the torrent has been blocked. This way torrents can be easily blocked using corpwebcontrol.com. Thank you for watching this video. This software is corpwebcontrol.com, a very effective and powerful software. Thank you for watching.